So I had 3 cups of coffee this morning, sitting at my desk, and Bill Ainsworth Sr. calls me. He's like, hey, Ken, let's go for a ride. 5 minutes later, I was down the road. All right, first impressions. What do we got? What do you think?
Oh, fast.
Magic, right?
Light, fast, fun, unbelievable. Makes an old man feel young again.
You're looking good on that thing. You know what I notice is how smooth it is. It's ringing its neck, and it's like there's no feedback through the bars or nothing.
A lot of clutching, obviously, but I was getting it to where I was getting that peak where I could shift it without the clutching flipping.
Right.
Keep it at that R.
Right.
But if you lose it, you gotta clutch it quickly.
Right.
But you can continue this thing right through it without losing a beat.